Good morning class. Today we will start revision worksheet number 9, that is based on chapter number 2 exercise 2.5 and 2.6. In this exercise we will do about the decimals. First one question is, a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. So how much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? As you know that distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is 55.3 kilometers. So the distance covered in 10 liters of petrol, as you know that for 1 liter petrol distance is given, we have to find for the 10 liters. That means if smaller value is given to us and we have to find the value for the larger one, then what will we do? We will multiply. So 55.3 multiply 10 kilometers. That means the distance covered in 10 liters of petrol is 55.3 multiply 10 kilometers. So how can we multiply a decimal number with 10? Very easy step. I told you that firstly remove the decimal, count down after decimal how many digits are there, only 1. So in denominator you will write 10. If 2 digits are there, then you will write 100. But here, after decimal, only 1 digit is there. So that's why we will write 1. 1, 0. That is 10 only. Okay, 1, 0. So it will come 553 divided by 10 multiply 10 kilometers. Now 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 10 cut with 10. What is remaining? 553 kilometers. Or in other words, you can write, because your statement is in decimal now, so we will write it as like this, 553.0, because I told you earlier that after decimal there is no value of 0. So you can also write it as 55.3.0000, whatever 0 you can apply, because after decimal there is no value of 0. You can write it as 553 kilometers, or you can write it as 553.0 kilometers, or you can write it as 553.0000 and so on, 0 kilometers. Okay, so check which one option it is. It is option number C. Here it is. So your answer is option C, that is 553.0 kilometers. Question number 2, find 2 multiply 0.86. How can we multiply? Same it is. Firstly remove the decimal. It will come 86. Now as you can see, after decimal there are 2 digits. So how many zeros we have to apply in the denominator? 2. That means 100 you will write. So 2 into 86 divided by 100. Now 2 is a whole number and 86 by 100 is a fraction number. As you know that we can multiply a fraction number with fraction number. So to make it a fraction, what will you do? You will just apply 1 as a denominator. So what will come? Numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. So when you multiply these two, you will get 172 divided by 100. Now 2 zeros are there, again converted into decimal. Just remove 2 digits from here and apply decimal. It will come 1.72. So which one option it is? 1.72. Here it is. So D. So your answer is D option, that is 1.72. Question number 3 is, how much less is 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers? That means you have to find that 28 kilometer is how much less than this. So what will you do? As you know, greater number is this one and smaller number is 28. So just subtract 28 from 42.6 kilometers. So 42.6 kilometers, we have to subtract 28 from it. As you know, 28 is a whole number. So to convert it into decimal, what can we do? We can apply decimal and 0. As you know that after decimal, there is no value of 0. I told you earlier now. So just subtract it. 6 minus 0, 6. Now 2 cannot subtract, 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. So what will we do? We will just take a carry. It will come 12 minus 8, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. So you will get 14.6 kilometers. Check which one option. 14.6 is here. So Your answer is option A, 14.6 kilometers.